In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Betika app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is a Minute with AI. Now, it is good to always check for updates for your app and then update it to the latest version. By updating your app, you'll be able to fix any security issue on your account or on your app to make sure that you are always secure and there are no risks involved when you are using your app. You'll also be able to fix bugs and also get the latest version that is associated with your app. So to update this app, you need to access the app either through Google Play Store or App Store to be able to update it to the latest version. So for this tutorial, I'm on Android smartphone and therefore I'll go ahead and look for Betika app through my Google Play Store. To do that, I'll exit Betika app first, and then from here I'll go ahead and tap on Play Store, and from Play Store I'll search for Betika. And here is my app. So if I go ahead and tap on it, you can see we have an update that is available. So if you see this, it means that you have been using an outdated version of Betika app, which is not safe. So to get the latest version that is more secure, go ahead and tap on update, and then this will proceed and download the latest version of Betika app and then install it on your smartphone once the download is done. Now from here, you can now go ahead and tap on open, and you'll have now gotten the latest Betika app on your smartphone. So that's how you can update Betika app to the latest version using your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.